Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
G7 officials have agreed to review the level of the price cap on exports of Russian oil in March, later than originally planned. The G7, EU and Australia agreed on December the 5th to ban the use of Western-supplied maritime insurance, finance and brokering for seaborne Russian oil priced above $60 per barrel. Germany must reduce its dependence on China gradually, as decoupling from the Chinese market would cost jobs in Europe's biggest economy, Finance Minister Christian Lindner said. India's foreign exchange reserves rose by $10.417 billion to $572 billion in the week ending on January the 13th. Reserve Bank of India's Bulletin Weekly Statistical Supplement data showed. With this sharp jump, the reserves hit over a 5-month high.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 1500 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 1100 hours GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.